Instagram is shaking things up again with its brand new app, Edits, designed to revolutionize how you create and edit Reels. What if I told you there's an even faster way to create scroll-stopping content using AI? Today, I'll show you how to combine Instagram's new Edits app with the powerful AI tools to take your Reel game to the next level. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about Instagram Edits. This standalone app is packed with advanced editing features that make creating Reels easier than ever. Think of it as Instagram's answer to CapCut, but fully designed for the Instagram platform. With Edits, you can trim clips frame by frame, add smooth transitions. Plus, it lets you access trending sounds directly from Instagram. While Edits is great for quick tweaks and creating short videos from scratch, but what if you want to clip your long videos or not spend on camera and shooting? I will share 3 AI tools that will save even more time and create professional quality content effortlessly. And all these 3 AI tools are part of quso.ai. Let me show you how its AI tools can transform your workflow. First up is AI clipping. Perfect for turning long videos into short, engaging clips optimized for Reels. Here's how it works. Upload your video or paste a YouTube link into quso.ai. The AI analyzes your footage, identifies key moments, and generates multiple ready-to-post clips in seconds. Each clip comes with a virality score, so you know which ones are likely to perform best. Plus, you can customize captions, add emojis, all within the tool. Next up is the AI video generator. Perfect for creating stunning Reels from scratch, even if you don't have raw footage. Just write your script or let the AI generate one for you. Then choose background visuals from quso.ai's library, whether it's stock footage or trending themes. You can even customize voiceovers and subtitle styles to match your brand. In minutes, you'll have a polished video ready for Instagram Reels. And finally, let's talk about the AI influencer feature. Perfect for when you need a professional presenter but don't want to be on camera. Choose from dozens of realistic avatars, input your script, and let the AI generate a video complete with natural gestures and lip syncing. It's ideal for presenter-style videos without spending a dime on shooting and production. But here's the ultimate hack. Use quso.ai to generate clips, videos, or influencer content quickly, then polish them further in Instagram Edits. And there you have it. With Instagram Edits and quso.ai working together, creating high-quality Reels has never been easier or faster. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more social media hacks. See you in the next one.